So this video will teach you how to build your own chatbot that will give knowledge about a specific field like technology, anime, AI, news, cooking, etc. using Meta AI. You first need to open Instagram in your desktop and log in using your account. Then at the bottom left hand corner, we can see AI Studio. After clicking AI Studio, a new page appears and here top left hand corner, we can see Create an AI and we have to click Create an AI. Here we have to describe what our AI is and what it does. Let's wait for a second. It's taking time to load. It will take some time. It's taking some more time to load. We will create an anime AI chatbot. Now let's get started. Here in custom AI, we have to describe about our AI. So we now go to ChatGPT to get a prompt. So ChatGPT will help us to get a perfect prompt. So we will type in ChatGPT that give me a prompt around 800 characters to create a chatbot in Insta, and our AI will discuss about anime. It will help fans to navigate and explore interesting themes and plots of underrated anime. It will also help fans to clear their confusion and doubt, and it will also help fans to clear their confusion and also the doubts related with complicated plots of sci-fi anime. It may recommend anime like Your Name, Monster, Steins Gate, Death Note, Psychopaths and other such animes, so that we can generate a perfect prompt with the help of ChatGPT. And now we will paste the prompt generated by GPT in that in our Meta AI, and the characters that will be generated by GPT will be within 800 characters. As more than 1000, Meta AI won't allow us to create a GPT. Now the prompt generated by ChatGPT, we have to copy this prompt, and now we have to paste this prompt. We have to paste this prompt in AI Studio of Meta AI, and now it will create the chatbot within few minutes. It's now getting ready. Now we can see it's ready. The name has been automatically generated by the Meta AI, and also the tagline has been also generated by it. Now we have to select any one of the avatars, and now we have to create AI. We have to click Create AI, and now it will help us to create the AI. It will take some time to create the chatbot. Oops, there is a problem in loading. It will take some time. It has been created. Now the chatbot is ready. Now we can chat with it. So let's type let us ask it about Attack on Titan, and let's see whether it can tell us about it in a brief manner. I am not an anime fan and I don't know nothing about anime, so as a layman I am asking it to describe me Attack on Titan's theme in brief. So let's see whether it can do that. It's thinking. So it has provided us with the result that in a world where giant humanoid monster titans devour humans, survivors live in walled cities. Theme: survival, revenge, and uncovering dark secrets behind Titan's existence. And now it's asking me whether I want it to elaborate. So I am typing elaborate it a little bit. It's processing. It has given a result. World: humanity's last remnant live in cities surrounded by giants world to protect against titans. Plot is: after walls are breached, main character Eren Yeager's mother is eaten by a titan. He vows revenge alongside friends Mikasa and Armin, uncovering dark secrets behind Titan's wall. So 3 main themes are survival, revenge, and secrets behind their wall. And I'm typing that I'm a beginner and can you suggest me a list of animes. It has suggested me one of the best animes like Attack on Titan, My Hero Academia, Naruto, Death Note, Tokyo Ghoul, Blue Exorcist, Planet, One Punch Man, etc. So this chatbot is working perfectly fine. Now if we want to add an instruction, a set of just an instruction within 200 words, so it will help us to optimize our chatbot. Like we can add as many instruction as we want. Now we will copy this prompt from GPT and we will paste this prompt generated by GPT in our Meta AI's instruction. Oops, it's exceeding the 200 words character. Let's make it short, or we have to launch GPT again. Now we have to type in GPT that same prompt and we have to tell it that it has to give us within 190 words, 190 characters. Let's see whether GPT is able to generate within 190 words. We are creating an interesting dialogue and the prompt will be within 190 characters and the response for that prompt will be within 390 characters. So it has generated a dialogue from Steins Gate. Let's copy and paste it in the dialogue function. We are pasting the prompt in the dialogue function and we will also paste the response in the dialogue function. Now it's done, and if we turn on the show in Instagram profile and then publish it, it will be public within few days. We must keep the show in Instagram profile on and then publish it. Now the chatbot is ready and we can chat, and within a couple of days this chatbot we have created will be in public domain, like anyone can chat with it. Now it has been created. Let's test it by giving it another prompt, like brief about Steins Gate. Let's see what it generates. Oh no, it's not able to generate. Let's try again. Now copy the prompt and paste it again. It's thinking.